Hi everyone, Jen here for Country Craft Creations today. And today I want to share with you my May design team package and what I have chosen to create with for this month. Starting with the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist collection. This is from Simple Stories. And for that I got the chipboard frames. There's 6 frames in here. As you can see them on the back. I also got the Floral Bits, 41 pieces of ephemera. Also have the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist Decorative Brads. The sticker book, which has 12 sheets, 638 total stickers in here. I mean, how many? That's a lot of stickers. It's very cool. And then I got the decorative frame, Frank Garcia's Prima marketing frame. This frame actually is going to be used for a project using the exclusive music box paper, I do believe, is what I chose that for. So let's get into the paper for Simple Stories here. So I have the 12 by 12 collection kit. There's 94 pieces in here, so between the paper and all the stickers that they give you. I also have the 6 pieces of the coordinating solids for that Simple Stories as well. And then as far as the music box papers, these are exclusive to Country Craft Creations, and these are what I chose to work with. Besides the papers themselves, there are also a whole set of these. There are 2 sets total that come with it. One is cut out for me already on the side here. And if you choose not to cut these out, on the second sheet you have this music notes paper on the back. Then we have all these cool cut aparts here. I just love these. And then the green on the back also has that gorgeous paper. This one is the red roses with the clarinet. Music is love in search of a voice. And it's the same on the back minus the clarinets. Here we have this gorgeous green paper with the flowers. And then the flip side is the green on its own. Here we have the harps with the roses, and then the back side removes the harps. And here we have these beautiful little music boxes with the ballerinas, and the back side is some of that music score. And here we have piano keys, saxophone, and roses. And then on the back, they just removed the musical instruments. Here we have some stripes, a larger version of the little music box, and then that striped paper on the back in the pink. Here we have that gorgeous green again. This one has some trumpets, I believe these are, and or maybe it's a tuba. I'm not familiar with this instrument. And then we also have the piano. And then on the back side, we just have removed the instruments. And then finally, this sheet has the roses, violins, and music scores. And on the back, it is just the music score sheets. So that is the 12 by 12 music box, Country Craft Creations. All right, so I also have the exclusive Country Craft Creations Ooh La La Patisserie, and this is a fun recipe themed, kind of bakery themed, and I just absolutely love this. So this one has a giant page on the back side of the cover that is the recipes, and then there is also the page of recipes. On the back side of that we have little tarts and flowers, and on this one we're going to have a larger version of the tart, some gorgeous background here, pink checkerboard, gingham paper. And then on the back sides of these, we have this gorgeous little recipe cards. Let's see, we already have this one here. I'm not quite sure how that got mixed in. Again, that's the tarts and then the pink gingham on the back. This one is these different cards here with some writing, and then on the back side we have the lemons and the blueberry baked goods. The back side of this one, again, the same. And here we have this super fun mittens and looks like croissants, some cupcakes, and on the back side we have a bunch of just some lettering, which is really cute, and it's kind of a minty green color. This one is a yellow gingham. On the back side we have this a recipe here. This is super fun with all these colorful mixers and macarons. And then on the back, this gorgeous background paper. Here we have some baguettes. It's very French. And then the wheat on the back side. And here we have some recipes for those types of things. And again, the wheat on the back side. And then this one here is a kind of a splatter pattern. And then here we have these little bake shops. And then the blue gingham on the opposite side of some, get these split apart here, some tags, which are super cute as well. And then this cut apart sheet here gives you some lettering banners and some different cut aparts, and there are 2 of those. Also, I did get a couple sheets of the My Colors banana pepper paper, and I was actually going to use this with the Simple Stories paper, but now I'm not positive that that's what this is going to get used for. But I will let you know what I use it for. And then I also got some from Buttons Galore and More, the Caribbean jewels. These are just little crystal embellishments that I picked up to go along with a few different projects that I'm going to be working on. So that is my May design team box, and I hope that you grab this Simple Stories paper and some of these others. These amazing collections that are coming out from Country Craft Creations. You just have to get them and see them in person. They're gorgeous.